Understanding the phrase, outbreak. Hello language learners! Today, we're diving into an intriguing and important word combination that we often hear in news and health topics, outbreak. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings and know how to use it in different contexts. Outbreak is a noun and is often used to describe the sudden start or occurrence of something unwanted or unpleasant. The most common association is with diseases. For example, when a certain illness suddenly appears and affects many people in a place, we refer to it as an outbreak of the disease. Example: there was an outbreak of flu in the city last winter, and many people fell sick. While the term outbreak is frequently linked to diseases, it can also be used in other contexts. For instance, an outbreak of violence or an outbreak of war indicates a sudden occurrence or escalation in these situations. Example: after the controversial decision, there was an outbreak of protests in various parts of the country. Understanding synonyms can help enrich our vocabulary. Some synonyms and related phrases for outbreak include eruption, especially used in the context of sudden displays of emotions; flare-up, often used for situations or conditions that have worsened suddenly; onset, describes the beginning or start of something, particularly symptoms of an illness. Thank you for joining me in exploring the term outbreak. Remember, it's not just about diseases. The beauty of language is in its versatility. I hope this video has shed light on the many facets of the word. Keep learning, and see you in the next lesson.